Kung hindi pa kayo nakapunta ng One Ayala Mall, you should. Nandito lang naman ang Nene Chicken, isang famous South Korean fried chicken chain. Aside from their famous fried chicken, marami pa silang ino-offer sa menu nila. They have chicken burgers, kremyon, tteokbokki, and a lot more. Maraming flavors na pagpipilian but I chose to try the bulgogi, spicy, and snowing cheese. Malaki yung place nila pero napupuno to especially pag peak hour. Unang napansin ko is this Korean purple rice. Mukhang healthier option and yung chicken nila ang bango-bango pagkadating. They serve fast and talagang freshly cooked yung fried chicken nila. I don't usually eat the healthier rice. Iba kasi yung texture. But nasarapan ako dito sa Korean rice na to. Wala siyang grainy taste and para ka rin kumakain ng plain white rice. This is the spicy flavor. Grabe yung shine ng sauce. Crispy yet soft yung balat and very moist yung chicken. Tamang-tama lang yung ratio ng sweetness and spicy nito kaya hindi nakakaumay. Ang pinaka-paborito ko dun sa 3 flavors na natry ko is this bulgogi. May pagka-soy garlic yung sauce tapos may seaweed taste din. Ang sarap nitong flavor na to, mapaparami ka ng rice. At ito yung pinaka-curious akong itry, the snowing cheese. Tingnan nyo naman kung gaano ka-generous itong Nene's chicken sa flavor. Medyo messy kainin, but I like it kasi lasang-lasa mo yung cheese and this is not overly sweet. Pero mas bet ko pa rin yung mga saucy type of chicken. For dessert, I tried this chocolate mochi. Deep fried siya and may pagka-crispy yung outer niya. Generous yung chocolate filling. I like it because it's not too sweet and hindi rin oily. Crispy and tender yung chicken and masarap yung sauces. Mukhang mapapadalas ako dito sa Nene's Chicken.